Hello everyone! Welcome back to the GeoVision Technical Support YouTube channel. Today, we're going to integrate the GV-IP speaker with AI event on GV-VMS V20. By the end of this video, we will explore how to add the GV-IP speaker into GV-VMS version 20, how to associate the speaker with a GV-IP camera, how to broadcast live audio or play audio files through the speaker, how to integrate GV-IP speaker with AI events. Let's get started. The GV-IP speaker is a network-based audio broadcasting device designed to work with GeoVision video management platforms. It allows users to broadcast live voice messages, play pre-recorded alert audio files, and enhance real-time security response. GV-IP speakers are commonly used in offices, schools, factories, and high-security environments for announcements and audio deterrence. Now, let's see how we can add the GV-IP speaker into GV-VMS 20. First, we open GV-VMS and locate the content list on the left side and expand the IP speaker menu. Now, to add an IP speaker, we click the plus icon, where we can see multiple options available for adding an IP speaker. By Scan Device, we can add the speaker automatically by scanning the network. By Add an IP speaker, we can add the speaker manually by entering its IP address. And the Add group is to create a group for speakers. Let's start with the manual adding method. To add the GV-IP speaker manually, we select the Add IP speaker. In this window, it requires a name for the speaker, the speaker's IP address, the port number, and the login ID and password. After filling in all the fields, click OK. Now, the GV-IP speaker has been successfully added to GV-VMS. Next, associate the GV-IP speaker with a camera on GV-VMS 20. To do that, go to the toolbar. Then Configure. From here, open Camera Install. Now, we right-click on the camera we want to link the IP speaker with. Click on the IP speaker and choose the GV-IP speaker from the list. Now, let's demonstrate the GV-IP speaker functions inside GV-VMS 20. To broadcast live audio, simply drag the camera into the live view grid. Then click the microphone icon to speak through the speaker. We can also broadcast directly by pressing and holding the microphone icon from the Content List panel. If we want to play an alert message or announcement, we can right-click the speaker and select Play Audio File. And anytime, we can adjust the output level through volume setting. Now let's integrate the GV-IP speaker with an AI event on GV-VMS 20. Go to Toolbar. Configure. Video Process. From the Video Analysis drop-down, select IPCVA. Select the camera, then click Settings. Then click on the arrow of the AI event we want to integrate the GV-IP speaker with. Enable IP speaker. From User Define, drop-down select the IP speaker. Now select a WAV file to play when the VMS detects an event. Now click OK to save. And start monitoring. Now, when the GV-VMS detects the AI event, it will play the audio file on GV-IP speaker This is all for today. Thanks for watching.